What's up everyone? This is a driller's dust bowl. This does a great job at helping contain any dust and debris from when you're drilling up in your ceiling. So first, it comes with two different washer sizes here. So whatever type of drill bit that you're using to drill into your ceiling, you can check and see here. This is a 3/8 and this is a 7/16. So we're gonna go with the 7/16 here. So we're gonna put this washer right on top just like this. We'll feed our drill bit right through. And we're going to attach it right to our drill. All right, once we have that nice and secure, what we're going to do is come right underneath our ceiling or wherever we're drilling here. So this is very flexible material. This is a great quality plastic here. So I'm just going to start drilling. And any dust and debris that would get kicked up in your house normally will get caught up in this dust bowl. And look at that. Just so much dust and debris that this thing catches. This is so great at just containing everything. That way it doesn't get on your furniture or just anywhere in your house. So you're not vacuuming or mopping everything up. So what I really like is that this hole is big enough for almost any tool here. And that this plastic is so flexible. So it's going to mold to however you need it. So if you are looking for a great hole saw dust bowl, I highly recommend picking up this one today. It's going to save you so much time and energy cleaning up all that dust after you're drilling anything in your ceiling or your walls. Thanks for watching.